Hello and good day to all of you. My name is Muaz Mursi with the matric number A21EC4036. I'm studying Internet Programming, section OZ05 with Dr. Jumail. This assignment 1 it's basically to create an simple application by using MVC, which is Model View Controller Pattern. So let's start. Firstly, I would like to describe the problem and give overview. The selected application here is CGPA calculator. It makes the student be able to record the course and enroll it, then calculate the CGPA for each semester. Alright. For this application, I used there is a specific requirement that has been stated to used, which is MVC technique. MVC means model view controller. Model means by using classes that will help to create the objects and encapsulate attributes with method to create the class, while controller to control and handle the user authentication by using a servlet, while view to present the pages that the user gonna use. For my application, CGPA, I used Java Servlet GSP Java server page to be able to create this application. Also, I used the mockup database to be able to uh, pass data to the certain page. Now let's go deeply to describe the code and understand it correctly. Alright, so as I said, M refer to model, which is the classes that the application will need to be able to create it. View MVS, yes. View is referred to present the page such as login page, logout page, and login page and dashboard, for example. Also, we have the controller. Controller refer to uh, how it can be able to handle and control the data and page. So let's start with the login GSP page. You may notice here some features are not working effectively because in the last minute something happened. Alright, so this is the first thing. What we can see here is the login GSP page that contain username, SPSX, and password. So let's take a look on the mock database. I made two package, which is com.controller that has all controller pages, and another package that has some classes and the mock database with authentication service. So in the Mocha database, there is admin and student. The admin will be able to delete the course. So the course feature is not working, but because the course ID has some issue in the code, while the Hassan or John Dewey is a student, will be able to add course, and this feature is working effectively. So let's start. Let's try to log in by the admin. Alright, first let's start with the login by student to be able to add course, then take a look how we can delete the course. So this is the student dashboard. In the student dashboard we can only add new course and then log out. It has the package path. It's important for the user and courses, yes. So this is the student courses. When the student want to add the course, so it will goes to add a new course. So when the student add the course, the action will be directly to add course controller, which is here. Alright, here like a normal HTML page, like to fill it, and here the course ID to get the specific ID to handle each student, because if we wanted to delete later we need a specific ID, but as I said this has a problem in last minute something happened, but I can fix it later. So this is the normal form that we can apply it. Alright, so let's start to fill the form. Alright, so 3 credit for example in this course, and let's say I got 3.5 in this course, I hope so. So when I add the course, as you can see, it will directly move to view course. So let's take a look on the view course. In the view course, you can see here we use the session. The session is something very important to store the data and keep the data saved after we log out. So here after we save the data by using session like course name, credit hours, cred. Here the student name has some issue too. Alright, so here if we want to log out we go to logout servlet. The logout servlet use the session to, yeah, if the session, alright, so here we use the specific parameters first in the function. We call it do get or do post, one of them to use the form. Alright, so after we log out, the session will be terminated. So let's log out. Alright, I forgot to mention about login servlet, how this control the login page. Alright, so first we use get parameter function to get the username and password. After this, if they are matched, not null, we will go directly to dashboard controller. If not, it will keep in the login. So let's say we use any name like Ali. So we will get invalid username or password, right? So as I said, if it's correct and we log in, we'll go directly to dashboard controller that has dashboard for student or admin. I already showed you the dashboard for student. Let's take a look again. Alright, it has these two features which student can be able to add the course and log out. Let's back to dashboard controller to describe it. Alright, here when the controller get the username, it will compare it. If it's not null and it is user, it will goes to student dashboard. If it is admin, it will go to admin dashboard. And these two functions exist in the user class. Where is user class? Yes, user class. We're gonna describe the classes soon. Alright, so after the dashboard for student, we'll go to add new course, then log out. Let's try to assign by the admin, which is Maz Morsi. As I said in the mock database, as I assigned Maz Morsi like admin. So let's start. I already assigned it before, so the data already stored by the session. Alright, this is the admin dashboard. As you can see, we use the session to get the, let's open the admin dashboard. Yeah, I used the session to get the username. Either it will be admin or it will be the student. Alright. Unfortunately, as I said, this application has not too much features because I got some circumstances. So, but if I got more time, I can develop it correctly. So let's, for example, want to delete the course, the admin. Alright, so we have to write the course ID, then we press delete course. Then after that, we can see the course has been deleted. Then we log out. Let's take a look about the view courses. As I said, we use the session to get the parameters by using the name of parameters that has been established in the classes. Same for view student. Okay. Also, we don't forget to create the web.xml to handle the servlet. So login.jsp exists. The last point is to focus the classes. The classes is very important to create the objects and encapsulate it with the methods. So here we use these parameters, and when we handle it in the session, we use the same name exactly to get the data passed from when we add the user, when we add course, sorry, the data will be sent by the session. So we must be focused when we write the user, the variable name. For example, here we use the course name. You can see it here exactly as we used here. So let's describe the user. We have constructor that has the parameter we establish with the role. The role means if the user will be student or admin, and we created function for both of them. And this is setter and metator functions. Here we have the class student. In this application also we had to include list of students with the all courses, but it's lack of features. So here we use the variable student name and courses by using the course class. We import the important package also, and here to calculate the CGPA. The CGPA here started from the course. We multiply credit hour by grade. After that, in the student, we can find the function calculate CGPA. So how CGPA calculated? After we multiply credit hour by the grade, we get the total. How we can get the total? By divide total grade point on the total credit hour. As I said, authentication to handle the login process too. So this is the overview for the CDPA calculator. Need to develop some features. Alright, thank you for watching and listening.